Hello again. I've been perving on the internet at the new MT-09 SP. At first I didn't like it. I thought it was a bit ugly, but now it's kind of grown on me. Now I've seen like proper reviews and that, I actually quite like it. I haven't seen the SP one yet because no one's ridden one yet. Well, I haven't seen any reviews on it, but I've seen some pictures and it does look sexual. I really do like it. So, you know, that's what I've been perving on. I think the SP, say, running the same suspension as this, but everything else has been revised. New engine, it's still a triple, but the engine's been made lighter, bit more torque, bit more power. New frame's been redesigned. Well, actually 90% of it's been redesigned to make it better, and I'm thinking about going and have a little ride on one, a test ride on one. Obviously the standard one, because I don't think the dealer have got one to an SP one to have a go on, a demo one. So yeah, I do actually quite like it. I'm going to be keeping this another few years anyway, so don't worry, I'm not getting rid. But never say never. No, I'm still loving this bike, to be honest. The new bike will, the 2021 bike will come with a quick shifter up and down, and I've read somewhere that the SP actually comes with cruise control. This morning it was bright sunshine. As soon as I got the bike out, cloud came and it looked like it was going to piss down. Just absolutely typical. Before I got this, actually, I was looking at the MT-10, because I had a R1 before this. I was looking at the MT-10. I was like, but I actually like the look of this better. And same with this compared to the new one. I actually like this one better. I think I will have a go and have a ride on one. But is that risky? Probably get home and say, oh, I've just bought a new bike, and she'll be, oh yeah, they had that one 5 months. Yeah, but see what happens. So yeah, anyway, I probably will eventually get the new MT-09 SP, and I'll see you in a couple of years. No, I will be putting another video up soon, so just keep a lookout for me. If you want to subscribe, brilliant. If not, don't. Anyway, catch you again. Bye bye.